Welcome back. My name's Doug with Doug's Top Dogs and also Griddle Cook Eat More YouTube channel. And been messing around a lot lately with hot dogs because I'm starting my hot dog cart, which I'm in the works of, but you need to come up with some different menu items, maybe specials, whatever. So I had this idea a little bit ago is to do your kind of classic, or what they call the poor man's burn-ins, hot dog burn-ins. But instead of cutting them up like you normally would, we're gonna leave them whole so we can put them on a bun and then top them how we like or however we want to create it. We'll see towards the end of the video. Actually, you'll probably see in the beginning of the video because I'll show a clip of it. So I had this idea, and then next thing I know, I'm here in St. Louis, so they're doing, it's kind of funny, they're doing hot dog burn-ins at Busch Stadium where the St. Louis Cardinals play. But they're cutting them up, doing the kind of the normal style one, but we're gonna leave them whole so we can put them on a bun and enjoy them that way. Today, what we're gonna be working with is, I will show you, we got Members Mark or Sam's brand quarter-pound all-beef Franks. We're going to score these up, use a mustard binder, and then we need I want to put a rub on them, so I got this beef hammer, which is a pretty good rub here. So we're going to use a little beef hammer on it since we got all beef hot dogs. All right, let's get these out of the package and we'll start getting them scored up. All right, here we go. Let's get these things scored up. All right, there we go. We got them all scored up. Let's slather some mustard on them. All right, let's get some beef hammer on them. All right, beautiful, got them all set up. So we're waiting on the Z grill. We're gonna be cooking on the Z grill today. So got that fired up. We're gonna do 225. I don't know, I think I'm gonna do an hour and a half on them. You know, obviously they're cooked, but we're just trying to lay on a little smoke flavor and get that seasoning nice and set in there, and hopefully in those little crevices and stuff on with them slits in there. And then from there, then we're gonna go into the burn-in portion of it. But yeah, let's get these things on the Z grill cooking, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, Z grills is hot, let's do it. So throw these right on the rack. Just like that, let's get them going. All right, let's get these bad boys pulled if they look good. Let's check them out here. Oh yeah, starting to separate there, so I think that is good. So let's get these pulled. We're gonna get them inside, and then we're gonna get them done up, you know what I'm saying, burn-in style, that's what I'm trying to say. All right, beautiful. Also just cranked up the Z grills up to 350 on my app, so I'm gonna get that thing cranking up while we get these prepared inside. All right, here we go. Got this, move that stuff out of the way here so we can take a peek at those. Got our little burn-in style hot dogs that are on the way. So I was thinking I didn't know if I should use a full-size pan or a couple half pans, but I think I'm gonna do a couple of half pans, split these up, kind of keep that stuff combined in there. So we're gonna do these in half. All right, so first thing we need to do is get some barbecue sauce down. I got some, I don't know what I never even remember what's in here, but you know, darker Kansas City style. So we're gonna put some of that in there, use this up. Just like that. And then we got this Patriot barbecue sauce here. That's a locally made sauce here around St. Louis. So we'll get a little more. I think that'll be good. Next up, we need some brown sugar. Some dry crunchy brown sugar, but it'll melt. And last but least, we've got to get some butter down. See what happens. I think we'll start with that. All right, let's get it out to the smoker. All right, there we go. We're gonna let these things go for a little bit. We'll check them like 10 minutes or so. All right, let's check them out. Been about 10, 15 minutes. There we go, looking good. Let's get them mixed up a little bit. We want that sauce and stuff to get nice and sticky on there. Kind of roll them around. I think this is a good call doing 2 pans like that. I can kind of work them around. I think I'm going to come in and add a little more barbecue. There we go. A little more sauce in there, I'm thinking. All right, let's let them go. All right, here we go. Looking good. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to pull these off. We're going to put them on right on the grate there. Kind of tighten them up there, baste them a little bit. So I think that's that's a floppy dog there. Just a little final. All right, so I took my little butter barbecue mixture here. Have a little nice basting sauce. Go. I think we're good. Look at that sizzle on there. Nice. Let's get these pulled off here. Oh yeah, look at those. There you go. Whole hot dog burnt ends. Now let's make a hot dog. You know, in some shorts I did, people were commenting on there telling me that my bun's too big or my hot dog's too small. So let's see how this one works out. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to do some pickles. Just like that. Let's get this beautiful specimen in there. Then we do a little onion. Like that. And a little mustard. All right, give me a second. I'm going to let this cool down a little bit. And meanwhile, I'm going to take a few pictures of my items here, and then we'll be back. All right, here we go. So as I showed before, I dressed mine up with some diced onion, mustard, and pickles, and then we got that beautiful burn-in hot dog in there. So let's give it a try. Wow, that was good. That end of it, I mean, come on, burn in, there you go. It's like biting in a piece of meat candy. It's nice and caramelized on there, sugar's all that. Oh, so good. That first bite was incredible. But I didn't get a pickle in that first bite, so I'm gonna take another bite here. We need one more to get the full assessment. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now that's freaking money right there, baby. And for all those big bun, small dog haters, hopefully the dog's big enough and the bun was proportional for you. But anyways, said throw it out there, kind of funny. Reading these comments sometimes. But man, that's a spectacular dog. Definitely something I may have to run as a special on the cart. Obviously, you got to do a little pre-prepping on them, you know, and come up with a good way to keep them hot and nice and tacky and stuff like that. That's it for this video, and I'm going to finish my hot dog because it's a beautiful thing. But anyways, till next time, I am out.